Hi and welcome, I am here with HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'll be showing you how to get an iPhone keyboard on this phone. So first, we have to go to the Google Play Store and from there look for iPhone keyboard. Okay, now choose OS 11 keyboard theme, install it, wait for installation to finish and then open. Now, agree, whatever, and we have to install another application from the Google Play Store. Don't worry, it's not something dangerous. Simply install it, emoji keyboard, cute emoticons, GIF and stickers. Okay, now go back, wait for it to load. I believe there's going to be, there's an advertisement of course. Now, skip the advertisement, tap on apply. Yeah, another advertisement. Sure. Skip it. Tap on enable emoji keyboard. Select emoji keyboard. Now there's an X in the top right corner. It's hardly visible, but it's there. Tap on it. And now, as you can see, we get this iPhone keyboard on our HTC Desire 20 Plus. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.